Good morning, y'all. Let's do the egg drawing. Before I do that, where's my, hold on one second, I'm connected. I'm going to keep giving away these catfish throw lines. And here's the knife. Before we do this, let me tell you the egg video is coming. It's going to take a while, probably closer to noon, before I actually get the video up, because it's kind of a big recipe. It's going to take a while to cook, and it's probably going to be a longer video, so it's going to take a while to upload, because I live in Podunk and my connection is very slow. So let's go to that video, last week's egg giveaway, and we will... What am I doing wrong there? Huh. I just woke up. Good. There we go. $68 comments. John Lee. John Lee, if you will contact me at bctruck@gmail.com, I'll get these in the mail to you. Alright, keep an eye out for the egg video. Probably 11 or noon, that neck of the woods there, it'll be up. Thanks for watching, y'all.